Assalamu alaikum. We are group number 4. Here's a quick overview of our team members. Our project name was Mechanical Ventilation for COVID Patient. Mechanical ventilation is a form of life support. A mechanical ventilator is a machine that takes over the work of breathing when a person is not able to breathe on their own. During the phase of COVID pandemic, some patient becomes unable to breathe on their own, which is known as ARDS, also known as Acute Respiratory Distress Syndrome. Our honorable teachers has selected our project to supply required oxygen manually to the patient using mechanical ventilator. This project has many aspects that need to be researched on its own, such as constant pressure for ambient ecosystem on patient's lungs, design, safety and durability, and synchronization of respiration. Among from those, we had focused on the synchronization of respiration during our project. Our team focused on the breathing system of a patient where a patient needs 12 respiration per minute. So we have developed our ventilator according to the need of the patient. We set our synchronization at 12 respiration per minute. It means the required time was 5 seconds per respiration. Here's a quick overview of the synchronization that has been developed by our team on this project. However, we have also considered the importance of constant pressure requirements for ambient ecosystem on patient's lungs. To ensure constant pressure supply, we have used DC brushless motor, 10 kg of torque and 300 revolution per minute, which allows the ventilator to provide a constant pressure during every respiration. Here's the design overview of our project. Our project was limited by technological limitations and lack of available data. During the upcoming years, we hope that mechanical ventilators will be used in mass level to save our mankind. And for now, thanks for watching.